recently launched Oppo Reno 12 series is built to be your everyday AI companion. Why we say that? Well, these smartphones have been crafted to elevate your smartphone experience with impressive AI features like AI Writer, AI Summary, File Dock, and more. Sleek and robust design, advanced processor, durability, and great connectivity. Packed with all these qualities, we feel that the Oppo Reno 12 series is a groundbreaker in the smartphone market. Today we'll talk about the Oppo Reno 12 5G that not only ensures a smooth and delightful user experience but also revolutionizes your interaction with technology. Its robust design, complemented by state-of-the-art AI capabilities, positions the Reno 12 5G as a standout choice in its category. What's to know about everything that makes it a great choice? Welcome to Gadgets 360. Let's get started. Let's start with the camera. I have been using the Oppo Reno 12 5G's camera and I can assure you that its setup is like having a troop of photography ninjas at your fingertips. Picture perfect moments? Check. Even in challenging lighting. The 50 megapixel main camera with its Sony LYT600 sensor delivers sharp, crystal clear photos that practically pops out of the screen. No more blurry mishaps thanks to optical image stabilization. All the pictures that I clicked turned out to be great. Zoom into the tiniest wonders with the 2 megapixel OV0 2V10 macro camera, getting as close as 4 cm to capture the intricate details of a butterfly wing or the texture of a leaf. I actually feel like it's a magnifying glass that fits in your pocket. Need to fit everyone in the frame? The 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with its Sony IMX355 sensor covers a whopping 112 degrees, day or night. Also, it's perfect for those beautiful landscape shots every time I'm on a trip. Selfie game strong. The 32 megapixel front camera with its GC32E2 sensor makes sure I shine with AI portrait retouching that enhances my natural charm, while natural tone keeps my skin looking flawless and lifelike. For a selfie enthusiast like me, this smartphone is a game changer. The AI capabilities integrated into the Reno 12 5G simply elevate the camera specifications to a new level of performance. The camera system of the Reno 12 5G comes with several AI-driven features that takes your photography a notch above. I used all of these and found them to be super useful. I hate it when photo bombers spoil my photos. Just take a look at this photo that I took with my friends. Can you see the random people at the background? And now see what I did with Reno 12. I used AI eraser and cleared all of them. Now it's just me and my friends in this memorable photo. But I think something more can be done in this picture. Furthermore, I used AI Clear Face. And here you go. No blurred faces in our groupie now. Oh wait, I think my friend's eyes are closed here. Well, Oppo AI Best Face is there to rescue. This feature catches closed eye moments and works its AI GC magic to fix them up in a blink. And there you have it, the perfect gram-worthy picture. But there's more fun stuff here. Ready for your digital debut? Transform any old pic into a digital avatar or the ultimate profile pic with AI Studio. Cool, isn't it? Here I am, a warrior, and now a cartoon character. So cute, right? The Oppo Reno 12 5G operates on ColorOS 14.1, built on Android 14, a user interface crafted to enhance your smartphone journey with intelligent AI functionality. At the heart of ColorOS 14.1 lies the AI Toolbox, which identifies your current tasks and suggests relevant AI tools to assist you. Whether you're reading an article, drafting a post, or exploring the web, the AI Toolbox offers a number of handy features. Now remember the digital avatar I created? Let me post that on Insta. Let me ask the AI writer to create a caption for me. So I have given the prompt, set the tone, and voila! Here's a quirky and creative caption, and that too with hashtags. Quite handy, right? This feature is not just for fun times, but can even help you to draft your work emails. Now let me tell you how AI Speak and AI Summary help me understand the core of any text. Here, I have this article with me. All I need to do is go to AI Speak and this article will be presented to me in speech form. Take a look.
Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G. Unmatched AI performance in a sleek design gadgets 360.
Now that definitely saves my time and effort. I am now using AI Summary for quick insights on this article. Here, see how well it has summarized the article for me, making it so easy to grasp. No more reading lengthy articles and write-ups, all thanks to the AI Summary feature. AI Recording Summary effortlessly captures and summarizes key points from my meetings or personal notes. This makes it so simple for me to review and organize vital information. The File Dock feature provides seamless drag and drop access from my stored images, text, or files across apps. Additionally, Smart Touch-Up helps me capture and extract exclusive content from screenshots very easily, making information gathering and utilization a cakewalk. All this while that I was using this phone, I bet you have been eyeing its design. Just waiting for me to tell you more about it. Well, this phone uses Oppo's proprietary high-strength alloy framework that has a metal-like hardness and exceptional durability. It is SGS certified with a 5-star rating for multi-scene protection. And that's not all. It's a damage-proof 360-degree armor body, ready to battle everyday mishaps like a true warrior. It is 7.6 millimeters thin and weighs just 177 grams, making it light and comfortable to hold. Don't fret about the dust and water. With its IP65 rating, this phone is well protected against these elements. It's not just its durability that I found impressive. It comes in some eye-catching colors too. There's the Astro Silver, Sunset Peach, and Matte Brown to choose from. Coming to its display, the Oppo Reno 12 5G is equipped with a gigantic 6.7-inch 3D curved screen. I have experienced buttery smooth scrolling and gaming with the 120Hz AMOLED display. The Oppo Reno 12 5G comes with the high-strength Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which is one of the strongest drop-resistant glasses in this segment. Now, when there's unexpected rain or my hands are wet, I am not scared of using my phone. I can easily navigate with ease in wet conditions thanks to the Splash Touch feature. I have experienced exceptional performance by Oppo Reno 12 5G, all thanks to its MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, a collaboration between Oppo and MediaTek. This powerful combination effortlessly handles demanding tasks while maintaining excellent battery life. The RAM Vita technology enhances RAM utilization, ensuring smooth multitasking and swift app launches without any slowdowns. The Trinity engine optimizes overall system performance, ensuring a seamless experience in any situation. Staying connected is made easy for me with AI Link Boost for enhanced signal reception and network stability, along with Beacon Link, which leverages beacon signals and gives me much better location accuracy and connectivity via Bluetooth. Since I have both the Oppo Reno 12 Pro and Reno 12, let's see how seamlessly the Beacon Link feature works. Just go to Settings, Mobile Network, then Beacon Link and turn it on both phones. Boom! Now see how amazingly this feature works. The Reno 12 is certified for high network performance by TÜV Rheinland. guaranteeing reliable and fast connectivity wherever I go. Clear communication is supported by AI Clear Voice, which filters out background noise during calls, ensuring my voice is always heard clearly. So whether I'm working, gaming, or chatting with my loved ones, the Oppo Reno 12's AI-driven performance keeps me connected effortlessly. Thanks to this phone, I have said goodbye to my battery drainage vows. The Oppo Reno 12 5G is packed with a robust 5000 mAh battery that makes sure that my phone stays powered throughout the day. And Oppo's 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charge technology gets you from 1% to 100% in just 46 minutes. Now that's an impressive combination of long-lasting battery life and rapid charging to make sure I always stay ahead. In conclusion, the Oppo Reno 12 5G transcends the typical smartphone experience. It's a versatile partner crafted to enhance your daily life through cutting-edge AI integration. From its robust AI-powered camera system to its optimized performance and productivity features, every facet of this device is tailored to meet your evolving needs. Its refined and durable design blends resilience with elegance, while its AI capabilities ensure it seamlessly adapts to your routine. Whether you're capturing breathtaking photos, immersing yourself in vivid visuals, or maximizing productivity on the move, the Oppo Reno 12 5G guarantees exceptional dependability. It effortlessly integrates into your everyday life as your best AI companion. The Oppo Reno 12 5G is priced at Rs 32,999 and will be available across Flipkart, mainline retail stores and Oppo eStore starting July 25th.